Hi, this is Kevin from Naples, Florida, and today we're going to be doing a review and installation tips on this LG 10,000 BTU window air conditioner. All right, so we've already done a review on our GE 5,000 BTU smaller room air conditioner. This is for a bigger room. This is 10,000 BTU. You can get these in all different sizes depending on the square footage of your room. So whatever space you want to cool, you want to measure the length times width to get the total square foot of that. And then you'll know how many BTUs air conditioner you need to have. They usually put it right on the box. It's for a room, small room, medium room, large room, this many square foot. But before you go to the store, measure your room. Take your square footage measurement with you so you know that you're going to get the right one. But we've had these for about 10 years. The other one got power surge, so we had to replace it. But other than that, uh, these last a long time. We've got these in two different locations in our house. And the good thing about a window air conditioner is if you get a hurricane or a power outage or whatever, um, and you have a generator, you can run these little window shakers on a generator because they just run off 110, 120 volt outlets. And so that if you have a generator in a hurricane, you can plug this in. You'll at least get one room in your house, at least to be cold for you. And so that's why it's a good hurricane preparedness thing. We got this. We have central AC in our house, but I want to be ready to go in case of a hurricane. And also in the nighttime, we like this bedroom a little bit cooler than the rest of the house. And so we'll run this at nighttime and we won't run it in the daytime. But you can find these at Lowe's or Home Depot or anywhere like that. 350 would be on sale. 450 would probably be list. 450, 460. Best time to buy them is when summer's over. But if you need it before then, uh, just check your sales. This one is remote control, and which is okay. You don't really have to have remote control. You can come right over here and push your buttons, but it does come with a remote control if you want it. Okay, now I'd always would plug these into a power surge device. Make sure that it says power surge and not just a power strip, but it's power surge protected. Always plug it into there. Uh, and they do come with reset buttons on their plug as well. Okay, now these either come with some foam to fit your window because the windows are all different sizes, or they might have these accordion looking things that just pull out. But either way, the foam, you can also buy this foam if they didn't have the accordion. But just cut that foam out based upon how wide your window is, and that's how you fill in the outsides. And then you just go up and down to whatever height you need it, and it just installs with these screws. You put the screws in through the bottom lip of the window bracket, not the glass itself, but the bottom lip, which is right here, this little metal piece right here, and you just run it right through them, and that's good. You don't have to build no platform for outside the window or hire a contractor and all this. So if you got a screw gun and some self-tapping screws, we don't usually use the screws that come with it. We put in self-tapping, but you can use the screws that come with it if you want. This, all you need is a screw gun. A screw gun and a bit, and you can just screw that right into there, and you'll be good to go. And a use for these would be a master bedroom, a studio, apartment, a large room. This is, I think, is going to cover like a 25 by 25 foot room or a 25 by 20 foot room. So it does a good job. This is our master bedroom, and it's pretty large, but it takes care of this area. And we also have these in other parts of our house. We had our air conditioner go out on the end of our house, which was a separate air conditioner than this end. And it was going to be about $6,000 at the time. That was 10 years ago. It's probably a lot more now. But about $6,000 to replace it. Or we could put in 4 window air conditioners. We put in little GEs. They're only like 160 bucks. Check out my video on that. But those rooms were very small and 150 square foot. and that's what the GEs were rated for. So I just put one in every room, $160 a piece. So you know, I'm well under $1,000. I'm probably $700, and a lot cheaper way to go than replacing your whole central air conditioning system, pulling permits and all this. So that's one reason you might want to put in window air conditioners. Second one is to have something ready for hurricanes. And a third reason is just to give yourself some extra cooling power in the room that you want it in. And here's the remote control that it comes with. You can adjust your fan speeds and your up and down, your modes. You just hit your power button there. You can do your fan speeds 1, 2, 3, and hit your cool button, and cranks right up. As you can see, it's made by LG. It saves us about 8 foot of walking, but who really cares? It doesn't matter that much. But it is something that you can have that this air conditioner comes with. And you do want to clean your filters once a month. You just pull this out and lift up. This is going to come right off of there. And there's your filter. You either vacuum it or you wash it out with water and soap if you want, whatever. But once a month, do that. It's going to work a lot better, and it's going to help that air conditioner to last longer. All right, now we'll go outside and show you what it looks like from the outside. And here's how it looks from the outside. It doesn't look bad. It's a lot cheaper way to go if you stick some of these in your windows and replacing your whole AC system in your whole house. I mean, for this side of the house, it's probably 10 grand now to replace the whole system, where you could get one of these for your main rooms for $450. But you just want to watch these grills don't get banged up. You don't want to hit this with a pressure cleaner or a baseball or a stick or anything like that, because these will dent up and that's going to deteriorate on you. So don't bang these grills. Just don't even touch them. And they're fine. So as you can see, this doesn't need a platform or anything. This thing's been through many hurricanes and windstorms and things. You don't need to build a platform and all that. You just need to screw it in like I showed you on the other side. And as you can see, it's got the accordions that came with the accordions, okay? But we wanted to give it a little extra insulation, so we bought some of that foam like I showed you inside. Let the accordions be in the window, and then we put some foam over top of that just for a little bit more of a sealant. But this thing's withstood the test of times and storms, and it's not going anywhere. It's not like it's going to fall out of there or anything. All right, so I highly recommend this LG brand. This is done really well for us, and it's a very high quality unit, and it'll cover your medium to large rooms, no problem. And we have not had any problems out of it. I would definitely recommend this, and hopefully that'll help you out. Subscribe if you want to subscribe. I got more appliances on our appliance list, and of course I got another 200 to 300 videos out on all kinds of stuff. So check it out. Also check out my generator videos in case you want to have a generator on hand, a portable generator for like $500 to run these things. It's a really good hurricane supply. So check out the generator playlist and my others. And if you like it, hit the like button. And this is Kevin from Naples, Florida.